All right, so I've got this little 3 outlet adapter installed in my van, kind of next to the kitchen. That's the kitchen that lifts up. And if I press this button, then I see what my voltage is. I've got a couple of USB outlets and then a more conventional 12-volt cigarette lighter plug adapter. Now, what I've discovered is there are some new gauges and USB outlets out. So I got one. And here, let me, it's this guy here. And I'll show a picture of what it looks like when it's turned on and hooked up. But what I can do with this has both a volt gauge like I have here, and it's got USB ports in it. So I can eliminate these two or combine these two into one and then have one more slot if I want, which I will. I'll probably put some more USB ports in or something. Anyway, so that combines these two into one. And this was not a real high output anyway. So the new one is much better. So anyway, that is what I'm going to do. I'll keep that guy. Doesn't have, let's see if I can get some light on it. I'm losing the light here today. But yeah, that's a regular cigarette lighter plug outlet, USB 2-slotter, and then a voltage gauge. And I will replace that, one of those, with this. So maybe what I'll do is just replace this one. I'll have the extra USB ports, and then I've got this one for additional USB ports for things that don't need faster charging. So yeah, I think that's my plan. Just figured out my plan while I was doing this review. So here we go. Yeah, this is going to be a great little upgrade.
Control train 70, CC at Mike 10 is a Verge.